I'm Tiger Height, and I'm here to make AEW Collision and Pro Wrestling Majestic again. Oh, Lord Jesus. There was fine to fun matches here, but God, the life is dead. Collision was made for one person, and now that one person isn't there. This will be another Rampage at this rate. Look at the ratings. Dropping. And it's going to continue. Will it be dropped here? I don't know. Maybe people are curious about it. But come on. Because now you have college football to compete with. You really think you're going to compete with college football? So we're going to kick off with a International Champion Open Challenge. Jon Moxley defending against Action Andretti. This title, main evented All Out. In a good match. I liked it. We'll be reviewing it here later today. But now we're getting to the point where it's now another open challenge. Does this title feel important to literally anybody? No, absolutely not. The less you defend the title, the more valuable the title is perceived. Because apparently anybody can go for the title at any time. Jon Moxley has defended or won this championship 3 times this week. All Out, Dynamite, and tonight. The match was fine. It was a fine opener. Couldn't care less. Rear naked choke for the win. I'm going to give it an Orange Cassidy thumbs up, and that's being really nice. So I didn't have the official graphic for it, but I think everybody knows that Jade Cargill returned. I don't know why she's wasting her time, but she is. Well, it's her time to waste, and that's Shahid's pocket, so there you go. If you think Tony Khan is paying any of these people, yeah, right. Kris Statlander took on Robyn Renegade for the TBS champion. Once again, there's no value in this championship. At all. And the match was a nothing. This match was so boring, and it was a jackknife pin for the win. Kris Statlander has just been so weak as a champion, period. So yeah, then Jade Cargill came out and helped out, beating up the Renegade twins, and then attacked Kris Statlander, wanting to go back for the TBS champion. I think I said TNT. It doesn't matter. It's the same title. The TBS champion. And I don't care. It gets a thumbs down. So due to personal issues, we did not have Jay White here, but we had a trios match where it was Austin Gunn, Colten Gunn, and Juice Robinson taking on Aerostar, Dios del Inframundo, and Gravity. Oh, and Dios del Inframundo is Drago from Lucha Underground. So I may refer to him as Drago because the other name, albeit cool, the king of the underworld, that's neat, it's just a mouthful. The match itself was fine. I'm not a big fan of Gravity. Aerostar is fine, and I do like Drago, but this just random trios, I don't give a shit. They try to say, refer back to Lucha blogs to know why these three are teaming. I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to do extra research to get it. How about you fucking explain it to me? You need to look at it as the eyes of a novice. If I am a casual viewer of this shit, you have to explain to me why. I'm not going to say, I'm going to go on Google and Google it. No, that's not how this works there, pal. Explain it. You have 2 hours to explain it. Show us. Explain it. You have commentators. Come on. Anyway, it was Juice Robinson's facebuster thing for Bullet Club Gold to win. They have momentum. It's one of my favorite groups here on Collision. That's kind of why I still watch it. And there you go. I'll give it an Orange Cassidy thumbs up. Our next match was Rey Fenix taking on Angelico. Wow, Angelico was actually wrestling. God, it took him long enough. And immediately he lost. It was a Phoenix driver for the win. This meant absolutely nothing. Nobody cared. A little more back and forth than maybe it was warranted because Rey Fenix is a actual competitor they care about. They don't give a shit about Angelico, and that's very unfortunate. Orange Cassidy thumbs up. Roderick Strong taking on Darby Allin in a Grand Slam World Title Eliminator Tournament Semifinals. Jesus Christ. Try to say that 5 times fast. I do like how they're pushing Roderick Strong. It took them long enough to do it, but goddammit, they're doing it. The neck brace thing is ridiculous, but he's putting on good matches. I like this match. The only thing is that Darby Allin, I swear to God, his intention is to be in a wheelchair by he's 30. I mean, some of these moves, that spinebuster on the top rope, it's just fucking why? There's no special anything with this guy, at all. He tries to do everything at the same time, and I am getting so tired of it. Not because it sucks, it's because it's such wasted spots on nothing. This show had like 345,000 people watch it. That's Rampage numbers. It was back and forth. And like I said, I liked the match. It was a end of heartache after some shenanigans for Roderick Strong to win. The right person won because Luchasaurus attacked Darby Allin before the match even started. So they're continuing that, which I think is perfectly acceptable for what they're doing. I'll give it an Orange Cassidy thumbs up. So up next, we hear from Bryan Danielson after the awesome match with Ricky Starks. He basically said that his time is running out. He promised that he will retire with his first daughter's 7th birthday. She is 6. I think her birthday is sometime in May, so there is some time. But he's going to try to get all of these dream matches out of the way. He already had the match with Okada, and if he keeps healthy, then at the very least, we can have a couple of really good things before he calls it a career. Do I like that he's going to be finishing up his career with the secondary company? No, you're absolutely dead ass wrong. But I think if he's going to go out on his own terms, I respect him for his decision. He's made the mark on the industry. He is a legend. Anyway, so he challenges Zack Sabre Jr. for Wrestle Dream. And that is a dream match. So I'm quite happy about that. People were very interested in it. And I saw it online. I'm like, okay, if this is where we're going to have with Bryan Danielson, he doesn't have to win a damn championship. He doesn't really have to do much of anything other than just have great matches with awesome people at certain events. Have him do a Wrestle Kingdom. You know, if he's really going to go out, I want him to see back at Mania. That would be awesome. It's not going to happen. Well, I'm not going to say never, but you never know. Goddamn, put him in a Slammiversary match. That would be great. Against Josh Alexander, are you kidding? The possibilities of Bryan Danielson are endless if he stays healthy. So Ricky Starks and Big Bill come out. They attack him. Jon Moxley tried to get involved, and they beat him down. Ricky Starks and Big Bill standing tall over two of the bigger draws within AEW. They're pushing him, and I am all for it. I like this. I like that Bryan Danielson wanted Ricky Starks to join Blackpool Combat Club. I like the promo itself. Ricky Starks looks like a star. They're doing it. They're actually doing Ricky Starks justice, and that gets a full thumbs up. And in our main event, in the final Grand Slam World Title Eliminator Tournament semifinals match, we have Samoa Joe taking on Penta El Cerro Miedo. This was a fun main event. I really like this. I know who's going to win at the end of the day. You know it's going to be Joe. But they're doing this tournament right. Every single contender within this tournament feels credible. The matches have been fun to good, and the momentum has been pleasant. I don't like that they're doing matches on Rampage, but I'm not watching Rampage, so that's why. This was a Conquista clutch for Samoa Joe to win. Still looking like a monster, but Penta went down swinging, so he still looked strong. And now it will be Samoa Joe versus Roderick Strong at next week's Dynamite for the finals. And I am all for that. I liked it. I'm going to give it a full thumbs up. And that was Collision. A different feel overall, but I swear to God, this show is on borrowed ass time. Let me know what you think in the comments down below or right over here next to me. Follow or subscribe to every channel that I have. There will be a link tree in the bio or in the description. And as always, be majestic.